Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick JavaScript lesson. Today, we're solving a classic problem. How to get a list of elements that exist in both arrays. We'll use JavaScript's set and filter methods to write a concise and readable solution. Let's get right into it. The goal is to find the overlap, the intersection between two lists. We leverage a set for fast membership checks and use filter to keep only common values. First, we convert array B into a set for efficient lookups. Then, we filter array A, keeping only values that are also present in the set from B. This gives us the intersection in just a few lines of code. This is the entire logic broken down into steps. First, we use the set to prepare our lookup table. Then, we filter the first array by checking which values appear in that set. Here's how it works with real numbers. We try each element from array A, and if it exists in set B, we keep it. That's how we end up with just 2 and 3 as our final results. This logic is commonly used in real applications, whether you're filtering users by roles or comparing two lists of items. Intersection logic like this is invaluable in real-world development. And that's a wrap. We now know how to intersect arrays in a super efficient way using JavaScript. Keep experimenting with different use cases, and this pattern will become second nature. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.